Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix Bluetooth pairing issues for your earbuds OPPO Enco Air 3i. Firstly, make sure that your Bluetooth turned on. So open control panel and turn on your Bluetooth if it turned off. Now, this earbud should reconnect automatically, as you can see it just reconnected, but if you have iOS, you need to go to the settings, then Bluetooth, and tap at your earbuds to reconnect them. Also, you can try to do this on your another Android device, maybe it will help you. Next step is to perform a soft reset. To perform a soft reset, you need to put your earbuds to the charging case, and then close the case. Your earbuds now disconnected from the phone. And after that you can also check it in the settings, right here in the Bluetooth for connected devices. If you have Android, it will move from My Devices to Save Devices. If you have iOS, you will see near to your earbuds information that it's not connected. Also on another Android devices like Realme, you have information under your earbuds, in use if it connected, and nothing if it disconnected. Then you just open the charging case, your earbuds will reconnect automatically also to iOS, and then you can check is it fixed. If it doesn't, we need to perform a factory reset. To perform a factory reset, remove your earbuds from the charging case, and at the back side, right here at the top, we have touch controls. You need to press and hold both of these touch controls for at least 15 seconds to perform a factory reset. Now, press and hold. Here we go. Now you can release your fingers, and then we need to reconnect these earbuds. So go to the settings, then Bluetooth or connected devices, and now as you can see, if I tap on them to reconnect, I cannot. The same situation on iOS, it just asks you to forget this device. Now, click the information icon or settings icon near to your earbuds, then forget, and forget device. Then click Pair New Device at the top. Not all Android phones have this button. Maybe you need to only go back and return to the Bluetooth, or just turn off and turn on the Bluetooth. So I need to click it. And after factory reset, you will see them at the device list because they will enter to pairing mode automatically. Tap at your earbuds, then click Pair. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it, sorry, I missed that we have one more option, is to reset Bluetooth settings. But once you did it, you will remove all your networks from your phone. So, first I will show you how to do this on Android device, and then I will move to iPhone. But some Android phones have system what visually more similar to iOS, so maybe you need to check that part also to find a similar path. On your Android, open settings, and then we need to go to the system. So scroll down, click at the system, scroll down again, and at the bottom, at least on stock Android, we have reset option. Click at this line and select reset Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. Then click reset. But remember, you will remove all your Wi-Fi networks from your phone. And that's it for Android. Now let's move to iOS. On your iPhone, open settings, and then we need to go to the general settings. So click at the general, scroll down, and at the bottom we have transfer reset iPhone. Click at this line, then click reset. Right here you need to select reset network settings, because there is no reset Bluetooth settings, and Bluetooth settings are inside the network settings. Then write your password and click reset network settings. But again, you will totally remove all your networks from your phone. And that's it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!